Having grown out of a mining company, ÖSTU-STETTIN is well known for its technological leadership in tunneling.
The history of the company has always been associated with the traditions and the technology of mining. With our know-how, the company has become an established player in all the latest methods of tunnel construction.
Drilling and blasting is one of the traditional methods still in use. Logistics of supporting the tunnel excavation is one of the most demanding jobs in tunneling. Specific lining is installed to guarantee long-term stability. Processes in tunneling require highly specialized expertise in planning, design and construction. With every project, technologies are further developed and refined. Normally, this is achieved by a concrete shell that is cast in place with gigantic formworks. The movable formworks are designed and constructed by ÖSTU-STETTIN. The formworks can easily be adapted to different cross-sections and are assembled at the site, wherever on the globe they are needed. Building road and rail tunnels all over the world, ÖSTU-STETTIN literally connects people and constructs pathways into the future. There is no mountain too high, no river too wide for ÖSTU-STETTIN's engineering expertise not to conquer. Innovation is the light at the end of the tunnel.
One might think that below the Earth's crust, the ground looks very much the same everywhere. One major project made us very much aware of the differences.
The specificity of ground conditions in the north of Mumbai proved to be quite demanding. The tunnel is part of a more complex project which will provide the rapidly growing population of Mumbai with fresh water from the reservoir Modak Sagar, 70 kilometers northeast of the city. Whereas India mainly supplied manpower, the Austrian company ÖSTU-STETTIN was responsible for planning and project management. The key instrument of the actual tunneling work was a highly modern tunnel boring machine. Workers and equipment had to cope with nearly intolerable environmental conditions, as for example temperatures of more than 50 degrees Celsius and close to 100% humidity. For 1.5 years, the TBM made its way through the extremely hard rock sturdily and without any failure. The 4-meter cutter head with its 28 disc cutters is followed by a train of backup systems giving the whole machine a total length of 250 meters. Working 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, all efforts were made to meet the requirements of technical perfection and scheduled time. By April 2011, the time had come. The breakthrough at the last rock face occurred exactly on time and at the right place. The joy on the successful completion of the project was immense for everybody involved. Another major project had been finished. Through tremendous efforts of people and technology, the goal has finally been achieved: a secure water supply for a growing city and quality of life for millions. There is an unspoken law in mining. The deeper you go underground, the higher the qualifications needed. In the last few decades, ÖSTU-STETTIN proved to be a true expert in shaft sinking. Shafts of all dimensions are needed, with nearly every single mining project or underground facility. Frequently, a shaft is excavated to serve ventilation. On other occasions, it may also be the essential part of an evacuation route. ÖSTU-STETTIN not only excels in shaft mining, to say the company does not stop at constructing all sorts of shafts. To raise and lower conveyances within the mine shaft, hoists and winders are employed. To serve any specific purpose, ÖSTU-STETTIN engineers design winder systems and conveyors equipped with state-of-the-art technologies, which reliably operate in depths as far as 1,000 meters. This certainly includes well-qualified operators trained by ÖSTU-STETTIN, as the rescue operation in Chile proved beyond any doubt. Even ÖSTU-STETTIN engineers can work miracles. In the coal mine of San Jose, 33 miners were trapped for 2 months. The help and expertise of ÖSTU-STETTIN, namely the design and the operation of a rescue capsule connected to the winder, was intrinsic to bring the miners out safely from 600 meters underground. Billions of people all over the world watched the emotional pictures of their return journey to the surface. Man after man was hauled up, back to his family and friends, back to life.
Chile was a media highlight, which was broadcast around the whole world. However, our everyday business and our daily projects always push us to new challenges and are the basis for the technical development of the entire company.
There is practically nothing that ÖSTU-STETTIN could not build or had not already constructed in the past. Power station construction as well as traditional mining projects can be found in the company's portfolio of work. Steel erection and formwork are just an important part of our core competencies as civil engineering. ÖSTU-STETTIN acts as a general civil engineering contractor and as a construction and renovation contractor for industry, transport and commercial customers. ÖSTU-STETTIN builds at stratospheric heights and unbelievable depths. And yet, within all its diversity, one fundamental principle is clear. ÖSTU-STETTIN consciously employs its technology and know-how to bring economic and environmental improvement to the world and to make it a safer place to live in. The bypass of the German town Schwäbisch Gmünd may serve as an example, one of many. The main task was to transfer parts of the traffic infrastructure underground. The whole installation was designed to preserve environmental features as well as the visual character of the cityscape. Different methods of tunnel construction had to be applied as the complex consists of a shallow tunnel of approximately 2 kilometers in length, which was bored in situ.
Our current flagship project is also complex and of great public interest. Viewed from outside, the name ÖSTU-STETTIN almost disappears behind the size of the building. But our history is a success story, and the Vienna Center project is one of its highlights.
Wien Mitte is a project of widespread public attention. At one of the most important hubs of Vienna, an immediate propinquity of the historical city centre, a highly modern building of renowned architectural quality is being erected. Up to now, Wien Mitte is the largest project development in the city centre of Vienna. As far as ÖSTU-STETTIN is concerned, all deadlines and budgets are met. The challenge lies in the combination of a high-capacity junction of public transport network with a state-of-the-art architecture on the surface. And work has to be done without disturbing the busy subsurface traffic of 2 underground and 5 city rapid lines. In the end, the surface structure will rise up to 70 meters above street level. Due to efficient scheduling, the construction work proceeds with stunning speed, following the vivid rhythm of a pulsating metropolis. Modern ferroconcrete allows the inventive interaction of different forms of architecture. Once completed, no one would guess that reinforcement bars, twice the mass of the Eiffel Tower, are incorporated in the building. The rebar cages are only visible before being embedded in the concrete. Up to 1,000 cubic meters of concrete are cast in situ per day, especially when a complex floor system is under construction. As a general contractor, ÖSTU-STETTIN took responsibility for the whole project, from the blueprint to the handover of keys. ÖSTU-STETTIN usually claims that the company is able to build everything and realize any sort of construction, on the surface or underground. ÖSTU-STETTIN specialized in building pathways and junctions, creating links between the past and the future, between technology and the quality of life, and above all, ÖSTU-STETTIN excels in building connection between people. When the sun goes down on the construction site in Vienna and cranes and workers come to rest, somewhere on the globe there is a new challenging project waiting to be realized, and there is hardly anything that the company cannot build.